Hi, so I saw a question asking how do I put Gobo rotation into a preset, but just the rotation without the Gobo selection or anything else to do with the Gobo wheels. So I'm going to show you two ways of doing this. First way is the easiest way, and it involves having a completely clear programmer, so nothing in live. So make sure everything is cleared out and you can go to your timeline and check that there is nothing in your programmer. Then select the fixtures you want this to affect. Go to Features, go to Gobo, change your mode from index to spin, and then either drag this bar for counterclockwise or clockwise rotation and the speed of what you want. Or we can type in this box here. So for this example, I'm going to type in 25% spin and hit enter. Now I've done that, I'm going to go to my Components tab. I'm then going to hold down my yellow modifier key or my control key and tap in a quick picker. And we're going to call this one test 1. Now, as you can see, nothing else has been entered in except my Gobo parameters. I'm going to hit OK. Now we're going to test this by clearing our programmer, selecting those lights, giving them some intensity, moving them downstage, throwing in a Gobo, and then clicking on that preset. And there we go. We have just Gobo Spin in that preset. But what happens if you already have things already entered into your programmer, or you just want to check what that Gobo looks like with the spin that you've given it, but you don't actually want to save that Gobo selection, and you don't want anything else apart from that Gobo rotation to be entered in to this preset? Well, there's a way to filter that out when you record that preset. So if we go to our Gobo, we'll select a different Gobo this time. We'll go to spin, and then we'll drag our Gobo and we'll set a speed that we like. So say that's what we want. But we only want to save the spin in this. We don't want the Gobo selection. We don't want anything else to do with any of the other wheels. So to do this, when we save our preset, we'll call this one test 2. First of all, we don't want the position in this, so we'll just uncheck that. Then we'll go to this last button over here that will give us our feature filter, and this is an in-depth way of checking and unchecking what's actually being stored into your presets. So we'll go to our Gobo tab and we'll expand that. We'll go to our Gobo wheel and expand that. And here you can see that we've got lots of things checked. And this will include our Gobo and the position on the wheel, etc. But we only want the first one, which is Gobo wheel slot mode, and that turns it from indexing to spinning, and our Gobo wheel slot parameter, which gives us our direction and speed. So what we can do is we can uncheck everything except the first one and the last one, and then hit OK. Then hit OK on your preset, and now we can test that by clicking on our first preset, which makes it slow, second preset, which makes it fast. And we haven't stored that Gobo in at all, so if I change the Gobo and then select any of my 2 test speeds, you'll see that it is only the speed that's affecting. If you ever need to double check what's actually going on inside a preset, you can right click on it and hit edit, and you can expand the parameters down the side here to see what's actually going on. And as you can see, the only thing that is stored into this is Gobo Spin at -63%. And if I right click on this one and edit it, you'll see that it's Gobo Spin at 25%. So this is a way you can edit your presets, but also check what's actually being recorded into them as well. Cool, well I hope this helps. Please let me know if there's anything else that I can explain about this video, and if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below.